welcome back to my channel. This is Mimi G. I'm back for today video, guys. I will going to reaction again to Demas Kudai Virgin. Alright, guys, there is another again reaction for Demas Kudai Virgin. Alright, guys, but by the way, if you are new to my channel, guys, don't forget to like and share and comment below, guys. Just correct me if I'm wrong. Actually, guys, this is national anthem of the Republic of Kazakhstan. I respect that national anthem of Kazakhstan because the national anthem is, already this is important to every country. You know that. That's why they call national anthem. All right, guys. But by the way, guys, we will give rank what kind of quality of this. But this one is, we will check what kind of performance of them as Kudai Virgin because this is first time that I hearing and reaction this music. All right, guys. To everyone for Kazakhstan, you are welcome to my channel and hopefully that you like it my reaction for Demas and to your favorite singer. All right, guys, stay tuned and we will listening that national anthem. I will not speak anything because this is national anthem. I just respect of them. All right, guys, stay tuned and please correct me if I'm wrong. All right, stay tuned and play. Already done that music of that national anthem of from Kazakhstan by Demas Kudai Virgin. Actually, guys, unexpected, all right? At the end of the music, guys, imagine, imagine, that the voice of people, that, that it's so high notes. And also that Kazakhstan of national anthem, it's good also. We need to respect with them. Guys, really, this one unexpected and the end of the music. Oh my god, imagine, guys, it's so, it's like I don't know how can I explain in my feelings when I saying like this, but I don't know what they call that, the tune, the timing, like this, like this, but I don't know how to explain to everyone. Alright, guys, but by the way, guys, I need to give rank with Demas Kudai Virgin. Alright, guys, I need to give rank with them and also that music. Alright, guys, dan da da da, I give it 10, guys. You know why? In instrument, it's perfect, and venue, it's perfect, and also the music, it's perfect, and also Demas is. I like the voice also. My God, imagine. This is the second time I reaction with him, but oh my God, really. It's so, he's also different. He's a famous in Kazakhstan. He is always, you know, maybe there is a lot of fans with him. Hopefully, I'm also number one fan of him. And also, guys, imagine there is 406 views, and then there is also 4,645 comment, and there is 22K likes. All right, guys. Actually, guys, hopefully I will make more reaction with him to Demas Kudai Virgin. Actually, this one I cannot explain how can I like this. I admire of him because it's some of like this, but this is first time that I hear some of that the national anthem that they are. I saw it. All right, guys, it's because it's our national anthem is different, guys. It's not same that, but we same like this. They call, if you make like this, it's mean it's respect. I don't know the other, but for my country, it's like this also. We touch your hand and your chest. And then like this, we respect, and then we did not do anything because it's not allowed. It's not allowed to make funny. Alright, guys? By the way, guys, but if you are new to my channel, guys, don't forget to like and share and comment below, guys. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell button to always update to my vlog, guys. Alright, guys, and see you my next reaction for Demas, Kuday Virgin, and also, bye-bye and mas